It's a big moment for Indian cricket and honestly for women's cricket worldwide. Smriti Mandhana has just crossed 10,000 international runs. She is now only the fourth woman ever to reach this landmark. While the others on this list, absolute royalty of the game, Mithali Raj, Susie Bates and Charlotte Edwards. And yes, Smriti is the only second Indian on that elite list after Mithali Raj. But here's what makes this even more special. Smriti is the fastest to get to that club. She's done it in 281 innings across formats. For comparison, Mithali took 291, Edwards 308 and Bates 314. That's not just consistency, that's domination. Now let's talk about how it happened. It came during the fourth T20I against Sri Lanka on Sunday night. Smriti walked in needing 27 runs to reach the 10,000 mark, and the moment arrived in classic Mandhana style. A clean drive off left-arm spinner Nimasha Mipage down to long on, just a single, and history was sealed. But she wasn't done. Smriti went on to smash 80 of 48 balls, leading a massive 162-run opening stand with Shefali Verma. That partnership was the highest ever for India in any wicket in T20Is. And there is more. Those 3 sixes that she hit during the innings took her past her captain Harmanpreet Kaur to make Smriti India's leading 6-hitter in women's T20 cricket. That's how complete her game has become. It also perfectly wraps up what's been an incredible year for Smriti Mandhana, India's vice captain. During India's World Cup winning campaign, Smriti became the first woman ever to score 10,000 ODI runs in a calendar year. She finished with 1,362 runs, comfortably ahead of Laura Woolward, and 5 ODI centuries as well in a single year. Earlier this very series, she crossed 4,000 runs in women T20Is, this series against Sri Lanka, and she became the only player to do so. Susie Bates stands ahead of her there. Smriti's personal life, though, had become public conversation in a way that she never asked for. A month ago, her marriage was widely reported, spoken about openly in the media circles, and then quietly it didn't happen. But when something so personal becomes a public property, the emotional toll is very real. For any person, not just a high-profile athlete like her, it can be deeply unsettling, and yet Smriti chose silence, dignity and distance from the noise. What's remarkable is what followed. So yes, records, milestones, impact, elegance. Smriti Mandhana isn't just piling up numbers, she is redefining what greatness looks like. Now, if this is what 10,000 runs is looking like, imagine what's still to come in the future.